Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to shop in New York. I'm going to show you where I buy my stuff from. This place has everything from fresh fruit to spices. So you just come to this place and you get all your necessary things. You can see the fresh grapes that they have here and the prices with them. So it's easier for you to know how much things are. It is very busy at the moment, and this place is never quiet as this has the best fresh fruit and vegetables. So everyone likes coming here and loves to shop around here. You can see they look so fresh and they are wrapped so it stays clean and safe from all types of germs. This place is owned by Chinese people and they really sell some good stuff here. Here you can choose whatever you want. You take a clear plastic and you just add whatever you need and you just go pay at the counter. And this is for your tablecloths. Some things they are loose, some are packed, so it's up to you what you want to buy. And these are the packets you take when you want to choose yourself. I personally like choosing things myself because it's easier and I know what I'm buying and I don't like pre-packed stuff. And these are some of the oils and everything on the side. So as I said before, this place has everything that you need for normal household stuff. You can see how shiny those apples are and they look so yummy to eat even. This is avocados. So the fruits are separate to the vegetables. There are so many different types of apples here. And the pineapple. And this looks so big and so juicy also. And these are carrots, loose onions, and you can just choose whatever you want and just go pay. And these are some cucumbers. And everything just looks so fresh and clean. Like there are no flies, there's no dirt. It just looks clean. I think this is what attracts people to this place. Everything is so big in size here. America normally gets this stuff from other countries. So those countries send them their best produce. And these are some packed fruits and the tomatoes. And these are lime and lemons. You can see how many there are, and look at the watermelons, such big sizes. You can just walk around freely, choose whatever you want. No one is there telling you what to do. Just choose freely, and then when you're done, you just go pay at the end. Even though it's winter in America right now, there are still mangoes. As you can see here, it says sweet mango and other types of mangoes and watermelons and pineapples, because as I said before, America imports its fruit and veg from other countries, so they can have each type of fruit all year round. So there's an inside of the shop also. That was the outside. This is what is in the inside. It's more vegetables and more fruit, and so it's separated so it's better for everyone. With some mushrooms and all type of green vegetables that you can think of. I think if you just come to this place, you won't have to go anywhere else. You just come, you buy, and then you're done for your shopping. And this is all type of bell peppers, all type of colors you can think of, and this is some radish also, and beetroot next to it. Such red tomatoes. And inside this fruit and veg shop, there's also freezers with all types of milk, and you can get dairy milk, dairy-free milk, soy milk, almond milk, any type of milk, and there's so many other drinks. And there's jams also in the shop. And all types of sweet melons. And these are some of the canned fruits. If you like canned, you can buy this also. Can just last longer than fresh fruit. You can either buy whole watermelon or you can buy quarters also. Everything is labeled with the prices and what type of fruit it is, so it's easier for all customers. It's pomegranates, kiwis, everything is so fresh and cheap to even buy. Whatever fruit you can think of, this place has. Either it's loose or it's packed, and it's all up to you how you prefer buying your fruit and veg. And there's some baby potatoes, and you get different sizes of potatoes also. Some dishes they prefer baby potatoes. And there's sweet potato also, and onions right next to each other. And then you get some nice red tomatoes. And you get some packed tomatoes also. So this place gives you a choice of either buying packed or you buying loose. So it's also up to you what you want to buy. These are packed grapes. They are all types of colors here. And pineapple again. Also in this there is a butchery where they sell different types of meat. And also types of oils. There are some type of Indian oils like Vatika oil and some pure almond oil also. So they have a variety of everything here. And you can see this lifeboat and that all together. Fair and Lovely creams also. So this place is all in one. And now this is some atta that you would use for your rotis. So all that flour also is probably imported from India or Pakistan, and this basmati rice, which are also imported. Such a variety of basmati rice. And also different type of tea. Some Indian type tea and some normal people have. Lipton tea, and look at the variety of biscuits also. They are also imported from Pakistan. So this place keeps you close to home even when you're far away from it. These cake rascals also. And some sauces and jams and pickles. And the shan stuff. And shan is imported. There's Ruh Afza and Chami Shirin. So this place has everything. And they also have different type of lentils. This is masoor dal. You can see it says on top there. And chana dal and other type of lentils as well. And you can see shan masalas here. This red chili powder from Shan, curry powder from Shan, chana chaat masala national brand, and fruit chaat masala from Shan. So all these are imported in America. So it won't be that you won't find these things here. You do, and it's really good that you find these things here. Cumin seeds also. So as I said, this place, it even caters for Indian people like us who need these masalas and these things to cook. So it's really easy. When you're in foreign, you don't find such things, but this place has everything. So I'm really grateful for the shop. A lot of the Indian community comes here to buy the things for their food and stuff, or even just for oil, like the Vatika oil. I hope you liked today's vlog, and stay tuned for the next one, as I'll be showing you other things as well. I hope you liked today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next vlog.